Welcome to the Vayo booth here at Productronica, and delighted to be joined by Dr. Howard Liu. Nice to see you, Howard.
Nice to see you again.
So Vayo is very well known and established for doing DFM software and basically analyzing different parts of the process. But one of the most important areas within the process, of course, is at the printer. That's where most of the defects come from. And you've come out with a new product that helps with the stencil design and stencil part process. Can you maybe explain to us a little bit about how this works?
Okay, thanks. So, in the past, we are working on some know-how digitalization, that is DFM for the entire process of PCB assembly. But in recent years, we realized that the printing stencil process, that's a key for the third joint quality. And most importantly, due to the industry of the increasing API, that brings a big challenge for us. So while you work out a solution, we convert the experience of the engineering team. We convert all the best practice in the past into the digital knowledge base. Then when the new product comes, it could be automatically applied for the new product. So most importantly, whatever which engineer, whatever his level, whatever which supplier, you get same process result.
So what you're doing is you're capturing that knowledge. You're capturing the parameters that these successful engineers were using with the product. And if he retires or leaves the company or moves to another part of the factory, you are capturing that information and able to apply it or continue to apply it with the next engineer.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. So in the past, when there's some customer visit to the SMD factory, we always claim that we have our know-how. We are different from other SMD suppliers. But with the know-how, it usually that's in the brain of the engineers. But when the engineers retired or quit the company, you will find it disappeared. So right now, most of the SMD factory has more than 10 years experience. But where you put this know-how, it actually your assessment. Now we work out a solution converted to a digital knowledge base and work out a digital assessment for the company.
So, I mean, does this happen at the engineer level or does this happen at the stencil designer level? Because I assume what you're doing is you're capturing the tolerances for the apertures and the shape of the aperture, whether it's straight cut or trapezoidal. So what is it you're capturing? Are you capturing the process engineer's knowledge or are you capturing the designer's knowledge?
I would like to say that's a process designer's knowledge. So the knowledge from the manufacturing stencil process, all those apertures, also the knowledge from the SMT process engineers.
Okay, excellent. So this is a fairly new product, but you've already got it out in the field with a couple of very major manufacturers. Tell us a bit about their experience with it.
Yeah, we just make some case study to our users of this solution. The feedback is pretty good, including the top players like Huawei SanDisk, and also the number one industrial sensor. That's a German company called Petrofascis, and there's also many top EMS like Foxconn, Pegatron, Stamina, Inventec. They are all using the software to stabilize the quality. They also use the software to convert the know-how for the entire engineering team. They easily share the to the new engineers. So if there's a new fresh engineer from the college, if that's a guy from another company with a different method for process, but once they get into the company, they use one digital brand, so they can generate the same process result.
Yes.
We called this is a digitalized way to guarantee the process consistent. Finally, that's the only way to guarantee a long-term stable quality.
Well, I mean, it's very important what you say, because capturing that knowledge is critical, and there's no doubt about it that the vast majority of defects, 60 to 70%, do come from the printer side, and it all goes down to the paste deposits, which of course relate directly to the stencil. So congratulations, it's certainly a good idea.
Yeah, so we are considering that that's a future for the SMT industry. In the past, we spend a lot of emphasis on the automation, data collection on the production line. But this is the first solution we are considering to convert the knowledge for the key process, the knowledge for the SMT process engineers. We believe that in the future, all the SMT factories will move to this direction, will utilize this kind of solution.
This kind of approach. Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. So if people want to find out more about it, they can go to the Vayo website, and the name of the product itself at the moment is Stencil Designer, but that might change. But it's a new product. It's just from Vayo, and Howard, I want to thank you for telling us about it today.
Okay, thanks.